Hi everyone, today we're on Module 4, Fractions. This is VMath Level F. This is Lesson 13, so turn to page 51 to follow along and take notes. All right, our vocabulary for today is a unit fraction. So a unit fraction is a fraction with a numerator of 1. So the number on top is a 1. You can see here are some examples. So 1/4, the unit fraction for fourths is 1/4. Here's 1/3. Here's 1/2. Here are some more examples in a different picture form. So 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, and these are eighths. So 1/8 is each one of those. So each piece is a unit fraction because it has a 1 as the numerator. So dividing a unit fraction by a whole number. All right, well, let's get started. Let's identify this. So as a reminder, the shaded piece is the numerator. So the number that is shaded, or the number of pieces, is 1. But then the bottom is the total number of pieces that the whole is broken into. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this blue piece is showing 1/5. Here we have 1, 2, 3 green pieces shaded in, so that goes on top. And the number on bottom is the total number of pieces that the whole makes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 3/8. So here we have in 3, we have an orange piece. We have 1 piece shaded in out of 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So there's 1/4. So now we're going to start and we're going to divide 1/4 divided by 3. Well, we just split the whole thing into 3 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3 equal parts. But then 1/4 divided by 3, we have just one of those pieces because we're dividing the 1/4 by 3. So that means it's 1 out of, and then we got to count all the pieces. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1/4 divided by 3 is 1/12. Okay, this says use these steps to divide 1/5 by 2. So we shaded in 1/5. There are 5 parts to this whole right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The purple is shaded in. Then we divide it into 2 equal parts. So we're going to divide that into 2 equal parts. Then we circle just one of those shaded parts. And then we name the quotient. So what is that piece? That is 1 piece out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces now. So that means that 1/5, when you divide it by 2, is 1/10. All right, this says write the ratio 2 other ways. So we have 1/4 divided by 5. So we need to break this. So we have 1/4 represented in purple here. We're going to break it into 5 equal parts. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts. Now we know that it is, we're going to circle one of those pieces. So it is 1. And then we need to count how many pieces there are total now. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 1/20. Here for number 5, we have 1/6 divided by 3. So we're going to make 3 equal parts. So there we go. We just need 2 lines to make 3 equal sections. Okay. And then we circle one of those. So we know that it is 1, and then out of how many pieces now? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 1/18. Okay, this says use a model to divide a unit fraction by a whole number. So using symbols, 1/2 divided by 3. We're going to model the unit fraction. Here's the fraction, 1/2. Then it says use the whole parts to divide the whole into equal parts. So we made it into 3 equal sections. So 1, 2, 3. The quotient is the fraction modeled by one of the shaded parts. So quotient, remember, means the answer to a division problem. So 1/2 divided by 3, the quotient is 1/6. Because we circle one of those, put a 1 for the numerator, and then we count how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you're going to complete page 53 on your own. Make sure to rewatch if you need to. Good luck.